everyone, it's Radhika. Welcome back to Datazard. I'm back with an interesting challenge. If you like the content, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are at 2021 Week 4 Challenge, which is around drill throughs. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then please do watch it as this report is based on the previous week challenges. In this one, we are going to add another functionality to the last week's challenge, which is adding a drill through. And then we need to figure out why Mac suffered most of the loss in 2016. So, without further ado, let's get started. This is the report I created last week in 2021 Week 3 challenge. And the first thing that we need to do is duplicate this report. We need to name this as school view. I am also going to rename this as school view, and we need to add a drill through functionality. For this, in here, I am going to replace conference ab with the school abbreviation. Same for the rest of the visuals as well. And the last one. Okay, so this shows the revenue per school, expenses per school, and total profits per school. To add drill through functionality, we are going to go to Format Settings, Page Information, and in Page Type, I am at School View and this is our target page. So I am going to set page size as drill through. And in drill through from, we have to add the field from which we need to drill through. So that field will be conference abbreviation because this is the field we are going to select in our solution report. Going back to school view, now when we set up the page as drill through, this back button is already created by Power BI. I'm just going to resize it, place it near ears. And when we click this back button, ensure that you are pressing control and then clicking it. Because in Power BI desktop, we need to do this. When we click on that button, we go to this solution screen and see the summary view. For testing drill through functionality, I'm going to right click on one of these bars and then click on school view. And you can see we are directed to the school view page. And these conferences, like these schools, are for that SEC conference. And now there is a requirement to add a card to show which conference it is. So let's create a card visual, add conference abbreviation in it. I will remove the category labels, and for size I'm going to put it as 25 and change the font. And I'm going to just resize it and place it at the top. So now we just go back, we right click, go to drill through school view and see B10 because we selected B10 in the previous page. Now we need to understand the reason as to why Mac was losing so much money. So I'm going to go to Mac and do drill through school view. And then in here we can see that TOL is having a huge loss of 5.4 million, and this could be contributing to why Mac is losing money. That's it for this one. I'll see you in my next one.